Did your Roblox encountered an unexpected error that says memory dump? Well, this is the video for you. So just before we do begin with this fix, please like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, please comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, open up your start menu on the bottom left right over here, type in Windows Security, click on Windows Security right over here, click on Device Security as well, and then click on Core Isolation and turn off Memory Integrity for temporarily. So go ahead and close that out, make sure that is off, and then restart your PC. And if the problem still persists, go ahead and turn this back on, okay? That is only for temporary. Now let's move on to the next step. Next step, go ahead and click on your keyboard, Windows plus R, and type in percentage local updated percentage, press OK. Scroll down until you find the Roblox folder right over here, right click and click delete. Once you click on delete, restart your PC once more and see if the problem still persists. Now most likely it will be fixed after all those steps, and if it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.